it is a very touchy and an emotional subject. As myself, as Councilmember Egren indicated, I served also military in the U.S. ally, South Korean Army, and then I can see tonight the citizens and the veterans appeal for the need of the cemetery and the desire to create a burial site nearby home, particularly for Orange County veterans. I fully 100% understand that the sentiments and the desires. Now, as mayor, and then also representing many citizens other than veterans, when we commit tonight 100 acres of the Great Park, how that will impact upon our pre-planned other amenities that we have planned. So pre-committing at this time would be a little bit premature, and so therefore I think a substitute motion for the feasibility study and the working out with our major developer, how the legality, because that will impact upon many residential homes being developed, and the 9,500 homes will future homes will go there. So literally, Great Park will be in the middle of urban development, not on the peripheral or suburbs of the major metropolitan city area. So there are a lot of even Asian people who have their tradition or concern of like a feng shui. They might have purchased the homes not realizing future cemetery. So this may implicate quite a few economic impact. So veterans' views are one thing I fully understand, but I think we can take some time and to do some feasibility study and how that can be accommodated. I think that is the basic essence of the substitute motion. So that's the reason I seconded. I think this may be a sound way to proceed rather than making a hasty decision tonight and binding ourselves with no future recourse by this resolution. So that is, even though my understanding of your sentiments and desires is fully, understandable, but I think understanding the rest of the community, and when we talked about the 21st century metropolitan Great Park and international visitors are expected, and 688 acres is almost over 40, almost over 60%, and very few areas are free for any other option, because there are cultural tourist area have been designated, and then also the lake has been defined in the master plan. So what area it can go into, I think those kind of the study is appropriate, and so I think a substitute motion has some merit.